With Parascript FormsBot, you can enable adding any forms processing to any workflow with an automation anywhere. It supports both text and handwritten information, and it is extremely simple to configure. From the control room, select the Import Bot option, and then browse to locate the files that you downloaded. Once imported, from the My Bot section of the control room, you'll see the FormsBot files. The package contains a FormsBot demo that allows you to import documents from a designated file location and allows you to utilize a FormsBot designer model that you've created for the specific form. Once you've defined your import directory and your FormsBot designer forms model, you're ready to run the bot by dragging and dropping files into that import directory. The bot continuously monitors the import folder, and once images are detected, it immediately starts processing them. You can see the results in the message from the bot as well as in the output directory files.